Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can automatically archive your stories after they have expired in Facebook. So in order to enable this feature, what you need to do is simply click on these three horizontal lines present at the top right corner of your screen. Then once you have clicked here, simply click on this settings gear option present at the top corner. Then once you're inside the settings and privacy page, simply scroll down until you see this stories option right here. Then click on the stories option and it will open this page right here. Now what you need to do is simply turn on this toggle right here which says archiving your stories. Once you will enable this feature will automatically archive photos and videos after they have disappeared from your story, and only you can see your story archive. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.